Welcome to 6.6, where we're talking about the motion grind. So this essentially is typically 4 degrees, but you can modify it at any angle that you want because we've got the power of ultimate variation with 3D printing. It's an angular surface at the posterior lateral surface of the rear foot post. This allows at heel strike to a different angle to be struck at the post on heel strike, and as we internally rotate and go into mid stance from the natural operation of the foot, the medial side of the post is at whatever angle that you've set it up here before. Okay, so essentially it's a little lateral edge taken off the device that allows the device to rock into position and control essentially a smoother transition from heel strike into mid stance. That's a motion grind. See you again soon.